Another Samajwadi Party leader seems to be justifying stone pelting that allegedly took place. In fact, people had no option. This is what a leader from Samajwadi Party has said. We're talking about S.T. Hassan here, a Neta from the Samajwadi Party. In fact, trying to suggest that people perhaps on the ground did not have any option but to pelt stones. According to S.T. Hassan, it was a rumor that sparked panic among the people there. Let's go across to my colleague Niyamika, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Niyamika, in a way, a justification there coming in from Samajwadi Party Neta S.T. Hassan. But the question really is that, all of this, what was happening in the national capital at 1 a.m. was a court-mandated demolition drive. And what has come out after this particular incident raises several questions. No response there coming in on the presence of a Samajwadi Party MP from Ranpur at the spot.
Well, yes, indeed. We have seen that how the politics has started over this demolition drive which has taken place at Turkman Gate in the national capital, as not just the Samajwadi Party but the Congress and the other opposition parties have also questioned this move of the MCD, as we have seen that how S.P. Hassan, who is the member of parliament, he has justified the stone pelting incident which has taken place yesterday night during this demolition drive. He basically stated that what other option does the local people have than this. Apart from that, many of the Congress leaders have also responded over the same. It is the Delhi Congress leader Abhishek Dutt who has questioned the timing of this demolition drive. He said that it is acceptable that the MCD was following the court orders, but the time which they have chosen, that shows that the intention was not very good. As for that reason, he said he has also compared this entire situation, saying that if any thief would try to enter into the people's residence, naturally they are going to react in the same manner. So that is a kind of justification which is coming in on the part of the opposition leaders, as they are basically slamming the BJP government in the national capital. They are slamming the MCD, saying that it is the ill intentions of the BJP to spread hatred all across the country, and that is the only reason why this kind of atmosphere has been created. In fact, the Congress leaders have also gone on to say that this is basically done to change the narrative in the national capital. Firstly, there was the sloganeering which held at JNU, and now the stone pelting incident which had taken place near the Ramlila Maidan. That is basically an attempt on the part of the BJP and the RSS to spread hatred. But on the other side, we have also seen that how the MCD officials have also clarified their stand. They had also stated that only the illegal encroachment area that is being demolished, and there is no action which is being taken at the mosque, as there is no bulldozer action which is being taken there. And for that reason, they have also clarified that there were several rounds of talks with the Aman committee which had also taken place with the locals there. In fact, the leaders were also part of these meetings, just to make sure that this entire demolition drive can be conducted in a peaceful manner.
Right. Thank you very much, Niyamika, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story.